Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for today's video because I'm going to be unboxing my new Gucci chain wallet. And before I get too far into this unboxing, I wanted to let you guys know that The RealReal did supply me with a credit to get this wallet. I am doing some sponsored stuff with them for Instagram. This video is not sponsored by The RealReal. They didn't even ask me to make this video. I just really wanted to film an unboxing of my new Gucci wallet because I have been so obsessed with this wallet. Basically ever since I saw it in stores and I felt it and I tried it on, I have not been able to stop thinking about it. And so I'm super excited to be working with The RealReal again on Instagram. And like I said, they were so kind and generous to supply me with the credit to get my dream Gucci wallet. I've actually been a really big fan of The RealReal for quite some time now. I ordered my Chanel bag from The RealReal. I bought it from The RealReal. Was really impressed with how it showed up. I have an unboxing of my Chanel bag and that video wasn't sponsored. I paid for that bag with my own money and then The RealReal just found me, I guess, because I posted that video. So I, like I said, have been a huge fan of The RealReal. I am honored to be working with them on Instagram. This little YouTube unboxing video is just something that I really wanted to do. So with all of that out of the way, let's open it up. Yes, okay, so it comes with the Gucci box and I wasn't sure if this wallet was gonna come with the Gucci box. When I ordered this one off of their website, it was in excellent condition and I just scoured the website for this one. This specific wallet with this specific color combo, I wanted this specific one and so I'm so pumped that they had it. And then it comes with the box. We love the packaging of a Gucci box. So you open it up and it doesn't have the Gucci bag, dust bag, but it does have a RealReal dust bag. Y'all, I'm so excited. I already know what it looks like because I went in the store and tried it on, but it's so good. So this is the Gucci Dionysus GG Supreme wallet on chain. I've basically just been calling it a Gucci chain wallet for short, but I believe that is the full term, the full name. This one I've had my eye on for quite some time because I love the print on it. This is the GG Supreme print. And then the reason that I had to stalk the RealReal website is because I wanted the chain wallet with the beige interior. So as you can see, this one has the tan interior and there were a lot on the website that had the black interior, but I just really wanted the beige interior. So inside of this wallet, this is brand new. There are literally no signs of wear on it. It's perfect. This is the beautiful beige interior and then there's a lot of room on the inside. So I've been wanting a bag that was a good size to throw my phone in, throw a lipstick in, and then to just use as an actual wallet. So keeping my cards in there without having to have a card holder. But this bag is seriously so gorgeous. So it has the serpent tiger on the front and then it's just the best print ever. So I love this print because I wanted something neutral but something really different. So I have my Chanel bag, which is a super deep chocolatey brown. I have my Gucci Marmont bag, which is a solid black leather, and I thought this would just be the perfect addition to my bag collection because it is a little bit smaller. You can fit your phone in here, you can fit a lipstick in here, and the reason that this bag is so fun is because you can wear it a bunch of different ways. So you can keep the strap super long, wear it as a crossbody. You can also kind of double up the strap and wear it as an actual shoulder bag. So I can show you guys what this looks like on, but basically I just thought this would be such a great versatile bag. You can take the straps off and wear it as a clutch. So if you're going to a nice dinner, you can hold it as a clutch. There's just a lot of really great functions with this bag. It also is pretty dang durable. When I looked at it online, I was a little bit worried because I never felt the GG Supreme texture before and I thought it was just a canvas, but this is a really nice coated canvas to where if you do set it down on a table and you get food on it, you can wipe it off. So I feel like this bag is gonna be really durable. And like I said, the interior is just super functional. So you've got a zipper pocket and then you also have a bunch of card slots. So this will ultimately become a wallet and you can always keep the strap inside of this zipper when you're not using it. That way you can just kind of keep track of it. But I am seriously so obsessed with this. This is gonna look so stinking cute with just like what I'm wearing. You can wear it with jeans, you can wear it with a dress, you could take it to a wedding, you could take it to a nice dinner because it's a clutch. I feel like this is a super, super versatile bag, and I'll be sure to like keep you guys updated maybe in a review later on how I'm liking it. But so far, first impressions, really shocked by how spotless it is. It is like brand new. The interior, I mean, there's not a single marking on the inside at all. So this was in excellent condition, and I feel like this is exactly what I had ordered from the website. So really happy with this. I love the Gucci chains. They're like that antique kind of silver. But I'm gonna show you guys what this bag looks like on and the different ways to wear it. But this is just a close-up. This is what the back looks like. And then this is what the interior looks like. So really clean. I'm so excited to start using this. I forgot that my husband Jason has also ordered from the RealReal, so he got me this Chanel wallet, and this is the size comparison between the wallet and the chain bag. So it's a little bit bigger, you can fit a phone in there, which is super nice, and I feel like it's that perfect like small medium size. Second side note, I looked in the box and it actually does come with the original dust bag. They just had packaged it in the RealReal bag. The original dust bag has a little bit of like a marking on it, but I do really like that it comes with the dust bag and the box. I feel like those are just key parts that come with the Gucci bag. So I am gonna show you guys what this looks like on. I put my cards in here. So I've got some cards in here, and then I also threw my phone in, and there's still plenty of room to slip a lipstick in there. So I am so excited about this bag. It's so stinking cute. Okay, so this is the length of the chain wallet on someone who is 5'2". I am pretty petite, so this is the length of it. It is intended to be worn kind of as a crossbody, so this is the length of it as a crossbody. If you are super short like I am, you can actually just cross the chains underneath the flap like this, so that they're crossed, and you can wear it like this, which shortens it a really good bit. So I actually really like this length. And then this is what the length looks like as a crossbody with the chains kind of crossed underneath the flap. You can also cross the strap underneath it like this and wear it as a shoulder bag, which is so stinking cute. Or if you wanted to wear it kind of on your arm like this is a shorter option. So I really like the short version as well. And then of course you can just take off the chain altogether and wear it as a clutch. And this is what it looks like as a clutch without the chain on it. And you can just wear it like this with your dress. You can wear it to dinner, you can wear it to a wedding. I just love how versatile this bag is. And it is honestly the perfect size to kind of hold as a clutch. So really cute. If you're looking for a great versatile bag, I would highly recommend the wallet on chain to anybody, because you can just get a lot of wear out of it. You can wear it as a shoulder bag, a crossbody bag, a clutch, and they also make a Marmont one of these, so like an all black leather, all tan leather with the double G logo. So there's a bunch of different versions of this specific style of bag. I just love the GG Supreme print. I just think it adds some great texture to an outfit while still being very neutral. But I probably will wear it the most as the shorter crossbody. But I love the clutch option for dinners. So I just realized while editing this video that I forgot to film an outro. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my unboxing of my new Gucci bag. I have been using it non-stop since I got it, and I seriously love it. It is just the perfect size. It's so functional. This is like a little mini review, just using it a few days, but I really do love this bag. I am so happy that I chose this one in this color combo. If you guys enjoyed this video though, give it a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below letting me know if you like these types of unboxings. If you are new to my channel and you want to stick around and subscribe for some more videos like unboxings and try on hauls and all the things, be sure to hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you back on my channel for some more videos, and I will see you guys in my next one very soon. Bye!